Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp jollof rice using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking experience. Then, we'll prepare and season our shrimp perfectly. This approach makes a classic dish accessible and enjoyable for everyone, even if you're new to West African cuisine. Get ready for a flavorful meal. Next, we'll create the heart of our jollof rice, the rich tomato base. Blend fresh, ripe tomatoes, vibrant red bell peppers, and a medium onion until you have a smooth puree. Then, gently sauté this mixture with about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for approximately 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Don't forget to add essential spices like 1 teaspoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of dried thyme for that authentic taste. Now it's time to combine our ingredients for cooking. Carefully add 2 cups of parboiled long-grain rice to your simmering tomato base, stirring gently to coat every grain. Pour in about 2½ cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring the rice is just covered. Crucially, gently fold in your seasoned shrimp during the last 10 minutes of cooking to keep them tender and juicy, preventing overcooking. To finish, cover your pot tightly and allow the rice to steam on very low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. This gentle steaming ensures the rice cooks evenly and absorbs all those wonderful flavors. Once done, fluff the rice with a fork. Garnish your beautiful shrimp jollof rice with some fresh chopped parsley or thinly sliced bell peppers. Serve it warm and enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.